How the rich leverage assets. Understanding the wealth gap. Most people work for money, but the rich, they make money work for them. The key difference isn't luck, it's leverage. See, when you buy something that loses value, the moment you touch it, a car, new clothes, expensive meals, you're feeding liabilities. But when you buy something that pays you back, stocks, real estate, royalties, digital assets, you're building leverage. That leverage is what separates wealth from wages. The wealthy understand this. Assets create freedom. Liabilities create slavery. They use assets as multipliers, not trophies. They borrow against their investments instead of selling them. They collect cash flow from assets that never stop working. Even when they do, they turn equity into new income streams. That's how wealth compounds silently. Meanwhile, most people chase income instead of ownership. They focus on earning more instead of building systems that earn for them. The result? A widening gap, not just in money, but in time, energy, and control. Here's the truth. You don't close the wealth gap by working harder. You close it by thinking like an owner. Start small. One dividend stock, one rental property, one digital product, one affiliate link that pays you while you sleep. That's how it begins. One leveraged asset at a time. Because the rich don't chase money. They position money and let leverage do the work.